Hello, in front of me I've got AUDI SQ5. In this video I'll show you how to type via finger. In the beginning, let's find place we can type. For example, let's go to navigation and let's type our destination. Where would you like to go? For example,
E-I-F asterisk hash E-C L.
And now select your destination. To type, take a look in the center of the car and simply type the letter here.
W A R H Z A.
To clear, press back button.
N.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.